So day 6, we're going to do the installation today at the riverside. And yesterday something interesting happened when we inflated the tubes. The tubes were so much more hard than it was in Hong Kong, so maybe we don't need any extra support, and maybe the tubes will be able to stand by themselves. Oh, it's crazy cold. Yesterday morning I picked up a bottle of water, and that's already frozen inside the car, so we're gonna have a tough time. Let's see. Plenty of new experiences in the whole journey. I have a few helping hands. I have Paul, Xavier, I have the local boys to help me, and I'm hoping that it will be a great adventure. Look at this stuff behind me. It's where they're burning coal. I see piles, rubbles of coal. Let me give you a closer look of this place around. This is a construction happening around. Maybe they will finish it after the winter because the concrete won't settle down. Okay, my hands are freezing now. I won't be able to hold the phone for too long. Let me put on my gloves. It's freezing cold. I'll give you a closer look of the coal, and then I want to rush inside my car to keep myself warm. This is not gonna because if I get a frostbite, then I won't be able to work today. Look at this pile of coal. See? That's what they're burning. I think probably, I'm not sure why they're burning this coal. Maybe for heating up the water. This is the garbage disposal. Not the... Oh, cool. There's a container from Peru over there. Can you see that? Peru. Cool. Okay, awesome. Ciao.